creativity using this exercise. Have you ever questioned yourself that whenever you have to paint a tree, you paint only green? There's so many colors. In spring it's different, in winters it is different, summers it is different. I'm sure you all have observed it. So I want you to imagine and create your own tree using different colors. It can be totally imaginative. For me, it's rainbow colors. I feel nice because it gives me happiness, it gives me joy. And I want to do something. I want to express myself in the art which fills me with all this happiness. So why not use all the rainbow colors? So just look at this video, enjoy doing it and explore your colors. Make your tree your own way. Let your intuition flow and come to this piece of paper. Enjoy doing it and I look forward to see the wonderful trees.